Hey everyone! As the year comes to a close, all eyes are on the high-profile releases schedules for the following year. Samsung is likely to start the year with the Galaxy S21 FE in January, following by the Galaxy S22 series in February 2022. We saw the S22 Ultra's live images a few weeks ago and the render images appeared to be accurate. However, we can't see the phone's exact bezels in those shots, but be aware that we have a number of recently leaked images that provide more evidence of how the phones will look. The protective films for the phones have been leaked by Ice Universe and they match claims that the Galaxy S22 Ultra would have a boxy Galaxy Note-like design while the other two models would have rounded corners, a reduced aspect ratio and tiny and uniform bezels. Looking at the image, one thing stands out: the S22 Ultra and S22 Plus have a camera punch hole for selfie, however the S22 Ultra does not. This could indicate that the S22 Ultra will have an under-display camera, or it could be simply a mistake. According to the previous rumors, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a 6.8 inches display, a 6.55 inches display for the Plus model and a 6.6 inches display for the basic model. The S22 Ultra, unlike its predecessor, appears to have a dedicated slot for the S Pen stylus. This could help Samsung reclaim customers who previously purchased Galaxy Notes. In relation to this discussion, a tipster named Tim posted a photograph of camera lens shields for the three phones. According to the speculations, the regular and Plus models would include a vertical aligned triple camera system, while the Ultra model will have 4 cameras and a laser focusing technology. Looking at this, the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus will have the same back design as its predecessor, with the differences that the camera module will not blend in the rest of the phone according to previously leaked renders. The camera system will be improved with a new 50 megapixel sensor and a 10 megapixel telephoto unit with 3x optical zoom according to reports. The cameras on the Galaxy S22 Ultra will reportedly be positioned directly on the phone's back rather than on the camera island. The camera resolutions are expected to be the same as the S21 Ultra, however 3 more sensors may be included. The introduction of these smartphones is still 3 months away. There is still a lot to be revealed. If anything important or trivial happens, I will make sure to keep you informed, so keep an eye out. So what are your thoughts on these protective glasses? Please share your thoughts in comment area below. With that said, feel free to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.